Russian air forces to be reinforced by upgraded Tu-160 strategic bombers in 2023. The Russian air forces are gearing up to receive an upgraded fleet of Tu-160 strategic bombers later this year, featuring significant enhancements in 2 out of the 4 aircraft. Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu recently visited the Kazan Aviation Plant to review the project's progress. Presently, 2 Tu-160 bombers are in the final stages of production and will soon be deployed within the Russian armed forces. Originally developed by the Tupolev Design Bureau during the 1970s and 1980s, the Tu-160 is a supersonic strategic bomber equipped with variable sweep wings. Playing a crucial role in Russia's nuclear triad, these aircraft are specifically designed to neutralize high-value targets deep within enemy territory, utilizing both nuclear and conventional weaponry. Remarkably, the Tu-160 can internally house up to 12 cruise missiles within its fuselage. Serial production of the Tu-160 came to a halt in the 1990s. However, Russia has shifted its attention to rejuvenating the manufacturing of these strategies, with a refined iteration called the Tu-160M. While bearing a resemblance to the original Tu-160, the Tu-160M showcases notable enhancements in its combat capabilities. Notably, the aircraft presents an expanded array of weapon choices and is outfitted with cutting-edge engines, particularly the second series NK-32 engines, resulting in a remarkable 1,000-kilometer increase in its flight range. On January 25, 2018, a contract was executed for the initial delivery of 10 Tu-160M aircraft, each valued at 15 billion rubles. The Russian Defense Ministry has outlined its intentions to procure a total of 50 of these upgraded aircraft, while simultaneously upgrading the existing fleet of 16 Tu-160 bombers to the Tu-160M standard. The first experimental Tu-160M, named Igor Sikorsky, was created through the retrofitting of an existing aircraft and accomplished its inaugural flight on February 2, 2020. Subsequently, on January 12, 2022, the first Tu-160M manufactured from scratch successfully take off, signifying a momentous milestone in the production of these advanced strategic bombers. The Tu-160M, equipped with cutting-edge armament, electronic warfare systems, and state-of-the-art onboard radio-electronic equipment, has commenced joint trials conducted by Russia's Defense Ministry and the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC. This significant milestone was confirmed by the press office of Rostec, the state tech corporation, on Thursday, July 6, in Moscow. In a statement, the press office announced that the joint crews of the Russian Defense Ministry and the design firm have commenced trial for the first upgraded prototype of the Tu-160M strategic missile-carrying bomber. Developed by the Tupolev Public Company, which is a part of the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, within Rostec, the aircraft has officially entered the program of state joint trial. Following a directive from President Vladimir Putin, Russia has initiated a program to resume production of upgraded Tu-160 strategic bombers. To implement this program, the Industry and Trade Ministry, in collaboration with the Tupolev Aircraft Company, swiftly digitized the design documentation for the Tu-160M bomber. Additionally, they successfully restored the titanium vacuum welding technology, restarted the production of the bomber's airframe assemblies, and established a new collaborative network comprising advanced metallurgical, aircraft, machine, and instrument building enterprises. Notably, a significant portion of these enterprises has been integrated into Rostec. The TU-160, known as the Blackjack in NATO reporting name, holds the prestigious title of being the largest and most formidable supersonic military aircraft, with a variable sweep wing in existence today. Originally developed as a strategic missile-carrying bomber by the Soviet Union and later adopted by Russia, the TU-160, alongside the Tu-95 MS bombers, forms the backbone of the Russian Aerospace Force's long-range aviation. Specifically designed for precision strikes, the Tu-160M is equipped to engage both conventional and nuclear targets situated in remote regions. During the Aero India 2023 International Air Show in Bangalore, a representative from the Russian defense industry revealed to TASS that the second Tu-160M strategic missile-carrying bomber, freshly manufactured, had been dispatched to a flight testing facility. Additionally, it was mentioned that construction of the third aircraft was currently underway.